Hey guys, it's me, Hannah, and today I am gonna play with one of my best friends today with my best friend, Savage Kawaii Evie. Her real name is Jolie. I know because she was my old friend at my old town in El Paso, Texas, but we moved, and I cannot tell you where we moved. I cannot tell you. I'm sorry. And she had a brother. His name is Giles. He's crazy. He goes. So if you didn't know, there's this secret place in Wolf Life Beta. It's a cave. It's a cave where all the wonders. In the cave, there's another secret place. And in the secret place, it's another secret. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'll show you where the cave is. Alright, let's put on my wings. Alright, I'm filming. I'm filming. I'm filming. You are. What does she mean? She is in a bed. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God! Okay, so here is the big rock, and it's the secret place. And in the secret place, it is in here. The secret place is in here. The secret place, okay, God, shut up. The secret place is in here, and it says, Psst, follow Shy Fuchs on Twitter. So, if you like that, if you want to get in, then you can. Ooh, howling. Okay. I'm a little sick, you guys. I'm gonna tell her to join my pack. Alright. Join my pack! IGC. Okay, she joined my pack. Yeah, she joined. Huh. Alright, so we're gonna go to the restaurant in Wolf Life Beta. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Woo! Oh, I forgot she can't fly. Wait, not the restaurant. We're gonna go to the beach. To the beach! And don't worry, I know how to spell. U-Y-O-U, and we are not doing nothing. You should. She is short. She actually is short. Hold on. Oh, okay. Sorry guys, but I have to do it. Oh my god. No. No! Alright, there. Reset. And play. Do that. Sorry, I have a wiggly tooth. There. Alright, let's put on the wings. What was I gonna... Oh, yeah. Oh, no! Element... Savage. No! Right? Savage. I don't know if that's how you... Hold on. So I don't know how to spell savage. S-A-V-A-G-A-G-E. Okay. Soon. Savage. Yeah! Don't feel tail savage. Savage. There! Alright, I am back to business. Goo goo ga. Goo goo ga. Go ga. How did I do that trick? How you do that? And how will you do it? Hey. I know how to do the trick now, guys. That is amazing. What? Julie? Julie? Really? You really have to leave on me? Alright, guys. That's it for now. And goodbye. Make sure you subscribe and